Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the August APTX HD Low Latency Bluetooth Transmitter MR270 HD Bluetooth in the version of 5.0 dual link headphone adapter for TV. Connect two pairs of wireless headphones to any TV, tablet and PC. 15 hours battery life. Enjoy perfect synchronization between sound and image. Unlike other transmitters, the MR270 uses the latest Bluetooth APTX low latency. Listen to high-quality sounds without any delay. Advanced sound quality. The QUALCOMM APTX HD chipset will provide the best sound quality to your HD-compatible Bluetooth headphones. It is plug and play. The latest Bluetooth version 5 chipset means pairing is swift and simple. Signal quality is enhanced and reconnection is easy as switching your headphone back on. Add Bluetooth headphones to non-Bluetooth televisions. Connect to almost any televisions or any other sources such as home sound system, personal computer or Mac using standard 3.5mm optical toslink or composite cables. The QUALCOMM APTX HD high-definition portable connection supports both USB power to be permanently plugged to a TV or battery power for use with tablet and MP3 players on the go for up to 15 hours non-stop. Share your sound anywhere. Connect your headphones or your speakers anywhere for all day long sound and enjoyment. Listen to TV without making or waking the house. High performance Bluetooth transmitters for two pairs of headphones. And this is what it will get to you. You have a non-Bluetooth television at home, like me. Then it is easy because you like Bluetooth or you like wireless connections. You have to use a transmitter like this. It is easy to use, but it's wireless in a solution. The solution is wireless. That means, of course, you can connect your headphones by wire with your television, but then you have a nasty cable around your bed. This is not like I'm going to do this. It is better to make this wireless. You can buy a new television, of course, a smart TV. This has Bluetooth on board, of course, but this is expensive. So my solution at my home is this Bluetooth transmitter. The only thing you have to do is connect your transmitter, your Bluetooth transmitter MR270 HD with your television. Then you have to pair the transmitter with your headset, and after this you have Bluetooth on your television. This is nice and easy. Then you can enjoy the sound of your television without wire connection. Oh yeah, this is really awesome, I think, and this is the easiest way to get on a standard or not Bluetooth connection television and Bluetooth connection television. Bluetooth is a wireless technology standard for exchanging data between fixed and mobile devices over short distance using short wavelength UHF radio waves in the industrial, scientific and medical radio bands. from 2400 to 2485 gigahertz and building personal area networks, PANS. It was originally conceived as a wireless alternative to RS-232 data cables. The Bluetooth thing is developed by the Bluetooth Special Interest Group, the industry's personal area network. The compatible hardware is personal computers, smartphones, gaming consoles, and audio devices. Here, it is an audio device. The physical range is typical less than 10 meters, 33 feet, up to 100 meters, 330 feet. Bluetooth 5.0 in this device, that it means 40 up to 400 meters. This is a long range thing. These are 100 until 1000 feet. Bluetooth is managed by the Bluetooth Special Interest Group, SIG, which has more than 35,000 members, companies in the areas of telecommunication, computing, networking, and consumer electronics. The IEEE standardized Bluetooth as IEEE 802.1.15.1, but no longer maintains the standard. The Bluetooth SIG oversees development of the specification, manages the qualification program, and protects the trademarks. A manufacturer must meet Bluetooth SIG standards to market it as a Bluetooth device, like this device. A network of patents applied to the technology, which are licensed to individual qualifying devices. And here, this is one of it. It is the August APTX HD Low Latency Bluetooth Transmitter. You have a DC 5-watt connector. This is the power supply for it. You can use your standard your standard smartphone energy supply to reload the battery, the inbuilt battery. You can use the optical wire to connect it with the device. You can use it aux in and composite. Here you can see the micro USB cable, which is connecting to the transmitter for get energy in it. You have two LEDs on it, or three. It is three. You have one power button on the rear side on the device. This power button you have to push to switch the device on, of course. But after this, you only need two buttons, and these two buttons are on the top side of the device. If you push them, then you have the status LED. Constant white means searching for paired devices to connect to. Flashing blue quickly, that means pairing mode. Flashing blue slowly, setting up the connection. Constant blue means paired with SBC codec. The content green LED means paired with APTX codec. The content yellow means paired with APTX LL codec, and the constant red LED paired with APTX HD codec. And if it's flashing white, that means there is a low battery power. And this is all what you need. The only thing you do is switch the device on. Then connect the wires, for example, this headphone jack cable into your device, then switch on the device, and then pair your headset with it. Then the device is paired with the headset. You can pair another one, for example, and then you have two headsets where you can you can hear the sound which comes normally out of the speakers of your television. But this is quiet for other members of your household. It is a wireless Solution 4. Not Bluetooth televisions, for example, but also other devices are compatible with it. That is so easy, and it's not so expensive to refresh old televisions with wireless technology. Listen to the TV without waking up the house. High performance Bluetooth transmitter for 2 headphones. Oh, this is nice and awesome. Stream audio from your TV to your Bluetooth headphones or speakers. Speakers are compatible too, but of course there have to be Bluetooth on it. The dimensions are 40 millimeters to 52 millimeters. This is small body, big heart. You have a button number 1, a status LED number 1, a status LED number 2, and a button number 2. You have a power button, a reset button, a micro USB charging LED, 3.5 millimeters audio jack, and an optical audio in interface. This all will get you easily into it. QUALCOMM APTX, high definition and low latency, the MR270 HD. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and see you next time again. So soon.